And girls, we are going to read the story My First Animal Library Bats together today. We're going to learn about the story of a bat from waking up, finding food, and taking care of babies to going back to sleep when the sun comes up. This story is by Martha Rustad. Here we see the table of contents, bats at night, parts of a bat, picture, glossary, index, and to learn more. Table of contents tell you what you're going to be reading on those couple of pages. Let's get started. Bats at night. The sun sets. Night begins. Bats wake up. Bats are hungry. They fly. They look for food. Bats catch bugs in the air. Some bats eat fruit. Bats use sound to find food. Bats cry out. They listen for an echo. Echoes bounce off food. Bat babies cannot fly. Baby bats cannot fly. The pups wait. The bats are done eating. They fly back to the cave. Mother bat feeds the pups milk. Bats roost. They hang upside down. Father bats hang in one spot. Mother bats and pups hang in another. The cave is safe and cool. The bat colony is hidden. Snakes and owls cannot find them. The sun rises and day begins. Bats go to sleep. Parts of a bat. The wings are the only mammals that can fly. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. The ears. Bats often have big ears. They can hear well. The fingers. A bat's fingers are parts of its wings. Fur. Bats are mammals. And claws. Bats' claws let them hang upside down. And here we have our picture glossary. So it shows you the colony, a group that lives together. A pup is a baby bat. Echo, a sound that reflects back from an object to a listener. Roost, to gather as a group to rest. And your index. So if you're looking for these words, you can find them on these pages. And that's it.